Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
Start with the right edamame, either fresh or frozen in their pods. For a single serving, measure out about 1 cup and place it into a microwave-safe bowl. This amount is perfect for a quick snack. Next, add 2 tablespoons of water to the bowl. This small amount of water is crucial for creating steam, which helps cook the edamame evenly and keeps them tender. Once your edamame and water are in the bowl, cover it with a microwave-safe lid or a piece of plastic wrap. This traps the steam, ensuring thorough cooking. Microwave on high power for about 2 to 3 minutes. The exact time might vary slightly depending on your microwave's wattage. After cooking, carefully remove the hot bowl, as the steam will be very hot. After cooking, carefully drain any excess water from the bowl. This prevents your edamame from becoming soggy. Now for the best part, seasoning. A simple pinch of sea salt is a classic choice that enhances their natural flavor. For an extra kick, you could add a dash of soy sauce or a few drops of sesame oil. Mix well to ensure every pod is coated. Before you dive in, let your edamame cool for about 1 minute. This prevents any burns from the hot steam. To eat, simply squeeze the pods to pop out the tender, green beans. Remember, you only eat the beans inside, not the pods themselves. Now you have a perfectly cooked, healthy, and delicious snack ready to enjoy in just a few minutes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.